Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your babe, Asanwa baby, Asa. Hello, welcome on board. Today, I'm so excited to be with you guys today. Okay, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, hello, how are you doing? Thank you all for the love and support given to my channel. I'm so overwhelmed and happy. Today is all about this hairstyle I'm having now, a classic ponytail. Let me turn around so you guys can see it. So this is the eye of the world. I can see you. This is the back. This is the side. What a beautiful and classy hairstyle. I'm so happy. So don't talk to me, okay? So guys, if you want to see how I shape this hairstyle, stay tuned to watch the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on all social media to keep up with me. Let's jump into the video. I will use my oil mist to infuse on my rubber band. I'm starting on a freshly washed hair. I'll start to part my hair from the ear to the side. Then I will use my jam to smooth everywhere for easy parting. I will section my hair individually. Then I will use my shine and jam to smooth it. Then I will use my rubber band to hold it. My rubber band has already been infused in oil mix to avoid hair breakage. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I will cross the hair to the other side like this. I'll put my towel around my neck to protect my clothes. I'm going to section my hair into two. Then I'm going to spray it some water. Then I'll apply gel on it. The gel that I'm going to use for this hairstyle is Ecostyle gel. Then I will comb and brush my hair. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of gel. Feel free to apply as much gel as you want. I will use this double-sided brush on my hair. One side is hard and the other side is soft bristles. So I will use it all over my hair to make sure everywhere is laid flat. I will section my hair part by part while I apply the Ecostyle gel on my hair. I do switch my bristle brush to diamond brush for easy glide and tangle free. I will stop talking so you guys can see what I'm doing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, comment, share, and follow me on all social media. And don't forget to turn your notification on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. I will tie this hair scarf on my hair to lay down the hair down more flat. Then I will use a hand dryer to speed up the drying process. This is the hair I will be using. I got it from Amazon and it's called Ecostyle, 30 inches. Did you see how full the hair is and is a heat resistant? And they give you this to wrap around your hair, and it also comes with a comb to attach on your hair. Use a wig cap to cover my hair because the hair wraparound has a straw which can cause hair breakage. Then I will use a bubble to secure it down. I will attach CHIC synthetic ponytail on my hair. Then I will use the wrap to wrap around my hair. Guys, while doing this, don't make it too hard or too tight to avoid headache. I'll put the link in the info section, so make sure to check it out. I will use some bobby pins to secure the hair down. I will brush the whole hair to make sure all the knots and tangles have been removed. I will add a few bobby pins to any hair that is sticking out because the hair is not fully dry. And I'll check if the hair is heat resistant. Then I'll pass the flat iron on it. I will add a few accessories on the hair to complement the look. Guys, I don't know which hair accessory to use, either this or that. I'm so confused. Okay, maybe I'm going to choose this eye of the world. use my oil sheen by ORS all over my hair to give it more shine. So guys, this is the final result. Yay! Did you guys see how long the hair is? Almost at my bum. That is 30 inches. So guys, if you like this synthetic ponytail hairstyle, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on all social media. Alright guys, see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. One love. Bye guys.